Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Been a little bit since I've made a video. I just simply have been overwhelmed with work lately. And I just got to take it when I can get it. So I'm sorry about that, and it's really frustrating because here lately, last month or so, I've had very little time for myself. But managed to get a day off today. So I've got a video I'm putting together in a package I want to share with y'all. And it is a package that was sent to me by Peter, the Irish lockpicker. And I just want to thank him very much for helping me out with this package. These are some eBay purchases. And some very cool locks I'd like to share, and some of them have been on my wish list for a while. So, and I just want to mention, some of these are going to be going up on my eBay, so if you're interested, you can check that out, and I'll put in the comments or in the description, one or the other, my eBay site. So if you're interested in some of these locks, you can keep an eye out and maybe get one of them. So first off, this one here is an Abus 83 CS55, and this one was actually not an eBay purchase. This was a padlock that me and Peter had done a little trade on, and I've never had an Abus rock, and this is the 83 CS55 version with the Yale style core. And I can't, hopefully that will try to cover up that light so it's not blinding. There we go. Sorry. I'm in the wide camera mode, so it's hard for me to focus in on something. For whatever reason, it doesn't like to focus very well on this mode, but it's the only way I could get a wide angle so we could see everything that's going on. So I apologize for that, but yeah, that's the Yale keyway. And these are some keys. Next we have a very cool Abloy Classic 3056. Let's see if I can turn that. There we go. That'll help. Alright, so we've got an Abloy 3056. I think most of us know what these are. And on the other side it says Bantam, which is another lock maker. And I've never seen one before that had both names on it, and I thought that was quite cool and rare. So that is one that will be going up on eBay, so if you're interested, keep an eye out for that one. Very nice lock, very heavy duty, very wide. I believe it's somewhere in the range of 3 inches. Or 70 millimeter, which is basically 3 inches, 2.75 inches. And your shackle is nearly 14, so very hefty lock. Next, we have an Abloy with a Protect core. Protect 2, as a matter of fact. And this is a Abloy 362. And like I said, it is the Protect 2. Sorry for the lack of focus, but I think you can see that is the Protect 2. Brand new, still in the box. Beautiful lock. Very heavy duty. Very large. Everybody knows these are massive locks. So I do believe that one is going to be going up on the eBay site as well. Brand new in the box. Made in Finland. Next we have a couple of Euros. And first is one that I've never heard of before, and I thought it was very cool. And this is, I hope that y'all will be able to read this. My focus is not going to work very well. Litto, Litto, Asa Abloy. And that is a very thick key. High quality. Definitely high quality. It's got 5 pins on top and then 3 cuts on the side of the key there. Let me see if I can get a little bit of focus out of that. Of course, it's not. Come on. I hate using this mode on my camera. Litto, Asa Abloy. And here's the core. And it has an element, some kind of element right there. I don't know if it's active or passive, but I will be finding out. Litto, Litto, Asa Abloy is what that says. I'm sorry for so sorry for the focus. But if I don't use this mode, it's zoomed in too far. And all we can see is like right here. So I can't get this whole wide angle in there. That's why I've chose to use this one. And I usually use it just on my package openings. So Litto by Asa Abloy. And then we have a Xi icon with 2 rows of sliders and then cuts on the top of the key for pins. And there is a total of 18 elements, 12 sliders and 6 pins. And it is a little sticky, but it does work. And this is the Xi icon. I believe it's a W10. But my intention, I have some intentions for these 2 locks here. I'll explain that in a minute. Next, we have a Yale padlock. And this is a K300 big boy. Peter also had got one of these, and he featured this in a video last week, and we both got one. And I just can't believe that there's a green band still on it. Normally I've seen these in the past and they don't come up too often, and almost always the green band is gone. and show y'all the key bitting. The 3 keys. There is the bitting. Some nice highs and lows. Beautiful. Brand new old stock with the green band. It's so rare to find the green band. And they have the K100, which is no shackle guard. They have the K200, which is this one that I already had. So the K200 is just a standard shackle guard. And as you can see, the green band is missing on this one. And that's almost always the case because they will, over time, they'll dry out and crack up and just fall apart. But this one was very well preserved, and I was highly surprised to see that. So this is the one I already had, and this is typically what you find, something like that. So yeah, very nice find, very gorgeous lock, just a beast. I mean, this thing's got to weigh 3-4 pounds, easy. So that one right there is, not too sure if I'm going to sell this one yet. That one's that's a really nice one for my collection, and I already have the K200, which I don't know. It may eventually find its way onto my eBay site. We'll have to see. So there's that one. And then we've got these two Rotaloks. And I know what you're thinking. Well, where's the logo on this one? Well, this one here is a first generation Rotalok. And they did not have the logo embossed in the face of the lock. They just had stickers on them. And they came, I believe it was Alloy Classic cores. If I'm wrong, please correct me, but I do believe they were. I know they were Alloy. I don't know if they were Alloy Classic. But I'd like to try to find a core, Alloy core, to put back in this in the Euro profile, because as y'all may know, you can just take half Euros that are cut like this right here and just stuff them in there. And that was my intention with either this one or most definitely this one. This icon, just cut one or both in half and stuff them in these cores. Sorry for bumping the camera. This one here, the first gen, as you can see, they are a little different. This one right here is round on the bottom, and this one is flat, but it is a Rotalok. It's 100% Rotalok. It's just a first gen. I mean, these are kind of rare because they're a lot older and harder to find. This one here is I believe a second gen, and then I believe there's 3 generations, if I'm not mistaken, but I could be wrong. I haven't done all my research. I've just done a little bit of research. So this one here is definitely going to be going up on the eBay site. Not too sure about this one. If anybody's out there interested, let me know, and I might just go ahead and put this one up as well. We'll have to see. But This one here just has a UAP, just a common Euro profile UAP. Nothing special. And then this one here has a Wink Haus DP5. It doesn't say it on the key, but that's what it is. It's a Wink Haus DP5. But I think I'm going to replace this one anyhow, even though that's a good core. I think these cuts on the side of the key are passive, but I could be wrong. I'll have to do some research on the DP5 and see what it's all about. It's got a nasty paracentric keyway. Wish y'all could see that better. But it is a nasty paracentric keyway. But I do feel like this Icon W10 with 12 sliders and 6 standard pins on top would be much more ideal. I don't know yet, because it's not quite as smooth as well, I guess it's smooth. It's just if you push in a little bit, it hangs up. So as long as you pull back a little bit, it's nice and smooth. But it's understandable. I mean, 18 elements in this tiny little thing, you got a lot going on. So there we have it. Please leave me some comments and what y'all think, and if what y'all would be interested in on seeing on the eBay site. And yeah, thanks for joining me, and hopefully I'll be able to get another video up soon. Y'all have a good one. Peace.